Before she was Miss Philippines and before she was Miss Universe, she was Nuna Pia Wurtzbach. She was Pia Wurtzbach she. Kasi nung 2009, Pia tweeted, "Hi, I'm Mrs. Choi. Nice to meet you. My husband is more famous than your husband. Just saying, no?" Ang ganda! But apparently, hindi pa sapat yun. Because a few days later, Pia tweeted, "I love you, Siwon. You're the best. Kiss, kiss." Haiko! This is no longer just a thirst tweet. This is an unaired K-drama episode, produced by KBS, the Kalat Broadcasting System. Pero ito yung malala, si Pia, hindi lang naman siya nag-tweet ng, "Opa, please notice me." Nag-train siya, nag-join siya ng Binibining Pilipinas ng 3 beses.
Wurtzbach 23, Cagayan de Oro.
And she freaking won, Miss Universe! In 2018, Pia Wurtzbach joined Super Junior's Manila concert. At doon sila nagkakilala, Sinabihan pa ni Kuya yung crowd, na bigyan si Pia ng tubig. Ang ganda! You know what? The moral of the story, you guys, is huwag kang basta-basta magde-delete ng kalat mo. Hindi mo alam. Naka-vision board pala yan. Baka application form mo yan sa tadhana, Ang ganda! Like and follow for more.